Let's make something together. Let's make a new functionality together. Something that we can all follow along with. Who's got an idea? What about something that keeps count of how many people have used the lurk command each stream? That's something we can do. I like what Trees is suggesting. 15 people are currently casually lurking around. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So, number of lurkers that are counting. So the server needs to know how many people are lurking. So we're going to call that a variable. VAR is short for variable in JavaScript. var. var lurk count. Now the reason we're doing lurk count is because spaces get kind of messy with programming. Instead of a space, we start a capitalization. So we got variable lurk count equals, so at the start of every stream, it's going to be 0, right? Let's go back to the documentation. I'm going to copy a message template. That has a nice little template for us to use, right? Let's see. We can use this one. We're going to go to this one. Okay, so this is looking for a very specific message. So variable lurk count, client on message, and then only if someone says lurkers. So it'll say channel lurk count are, what was it? All right, so hopefully, if we do it now, 0 people are casually lurking around right now. So the variable lurk count gets remembered as long as this server is running. If you restart the server, that gets wiped out. So as long as you restart the server, each time you start streaming, if someone lurks... Wait, no, because lurk count is 0. Okay, so we're going to copy this, right? Because we're going to have a second one. But instead of doing that, if lurk. So lurk is already a command. So we're going to have 2 bots listening to the same command. We're going to have the Twitch bot listening, which is going to give us the lurk feedback that Streamlabs does. But we're also going to listen to lurk. And if that happens, then we're going to do count plus plus. So this means lurk count plus 1. This should work. Okay, that's not working. That's not working at all. It's broken. It's saying it twice every time. 1 people are casually... Oh no, it was working. Okay, let's try again. Lurkers. 1 people are currently lurking. Okay, now you do it, Kiwi. Okay, and now we do lurkers. Yeah, there we go. 2 people are lurking. It works. Isn't that something? Look at that. Look at it, we did it. Fake count. Yeah, because someone can lurk multiple times. You're right, Bystrick. What we need to do, keep a lurk list. Yeah, that's the real way to do it. So we need to keep a record of everyone that is lurking, that means. So we need to create an array. So we're going to set a new variable. That's going to be lurkers. Here's the push. Lurkers push. And then add channel username. Will this work? No, I think we need to do this. Does this work? Nice. And then we'll do just check. So we'll do console.log. So that's a good way to test if something is working. Lurk. Oh no. What a mess. What happened? Oh, this is complicated. So if lurk, then we need to do an embedded if statement. Guys, my brain is melting. Right. If lurkers contains, but how do you check if contains? Lurkers, it's not inherently an array. How do I make it be an array? Okay, so now it's an array. If lurkers dot include, right? Yeah. Includes with an S. If it includes lurker name, then lurkers push tag username. That should work. Why is it not doing that? Unexpected token, lurkers. Let the user equals, and if the user include the user else. Why is it doing that now? Oh, right, because it needs that. Now it's still giving me some weird. Huh. Oh, but it's working though. Look at that. Oh, it was working. Something broke it. It was kind of working for a second though. I mean, it's adding people to the lurkers list, but it happens to be regardless of whether or not they enter lurk. My brain is currently frying. In fact, I'm gonna keep streaming for like another 15 minutes and then I'm gonna call it. Ready for some programming? Okay, so we need to find out in JavaScript, how do we see if something is in an array, right? So Google search, how to search an array in JavaScript. Search, we know how to write that. Array prototype find. Here we go, JavaScript array find. This is the one. W3 schools. Now this is like the web development Bible. Everything is in here. Okay, so document.getElement. So this is just an object. We can compress this into the object. We need to get the lurkers array. No? Function my function find. It just find? Well, what about when you're using it in an array? Is it the same? See, this is some stuff that's even going over my head. Okay. So else we're gonna have to embed an if statement. We're just gonna put an if statement inside an if statement, right? If lurkers.find, right? So we're gonna take the lurkers object that we defined up here, and that's just a thing, that's just an empty array. It's just an empty set of objects. And if lurkers.find, there we go. I'm gonna do some big brain programming. Okay, if lurkers find, we're just gonna search for me because I'm gonna be the lurker. I think this is a way that we can test it. So if this happens, so instead of it just happening, if someone is detected as already lurking, or is detected as not lurking yet, then we're going to do these things. Okay, so we have some errors now. Okay, so this crashes the server because I'm doing something fundamentally wrong. It's not even working anymore. Oh wait, it is working. Someone else tried the lurk command, but that crashes it. Something goes wrong. Okay, so it's not doing that because it's never going to find casual elephant. That's what's going on right here. So we're doing it wrong. It's a syntax error. When it's telling me it's not a function, that means I probably typed it wrong. Check an array for a value. Includes, there we go. So we were looking at the wrong thing. Okay. We got it. Just a little bit of Google searching. I don't know how to teach that. Like learning how to Google the right terms and stuff is just something you kind of got to learn by doing. Lurkers includes, and then we'll do console log, so it should say not lurking. Oh wait, I already did this! Okay, so it was working as intended. So lurk count is lurkers.length. So lurkers.length, when we do .length, then it gets the number of lurkers, or the number of objects in that array, in the lurkers array. If lurkers includes the user, then it'll say that is already lurking. So maybe we should change that to this. It's not going to do nothing. It's going to say channel, which is again pointing to the channel that we defined up here earlier in the tmi.js. Channel is casual elephant, so it knows that I'm talking about casual elephant, comma, and then not the regular quotation marks, but these silly quotation marks, because I'm not sure why, but that's just how it works here. We're following the template. Tags the user. So this is like target the following object, the user, and then put that in there. It's like the little squiggly brackets. It's like a way to kind of contain it and put it in there anyway. Is now lurking. Oh, wait, we gotta put that inside the brackets. The silly brackets. Tilde? No, the tilde brackets? I don't know what to call it. And now, hopefully, casual elephant is now lurking. And 1 people are currently casually lurking around. There we go. So I think we need to make another one to, what if we say that, you know, we're back. Inverse lurk, unlurk, if you will. Okay, so we're just gonna copy this little section over here. Nope, not that whole section, just this section. We're just gonna copy that over, but we're gonna do different things with it this time. So we're gonna just be able to remove this, bring the lines back so that it's nice and neat, and then we wanna indent it there once, just to make it look neat. Most of this is all just to make it look neat. So if it does something, and if it's not that, then if that's not the case, then do this. Oh wait, I needed to search for a different message, didn't I? I did need that whole thing. All right, back a few steps again. Okay, so we gotta take this bracket, which ends here. Okay, we're gonna put another one of these in. That's what we want to be doing. And then we're gonna do different things here, and instead we're gonna do it with back. So then we need to remove casual elephant in my case. We need to remove whoever is lurking from the lurk list. So we're gonna just go Google search again. Splice. Okay. Find the index of the array element you want to remove using index of. Jesus. Okay, so this is a little bit complicated. So in that case, we're using index of 5. So lurkers, index of casual elephant. And then we'll do back. Client say channel. In this channel, the username is now back. Else, we'll do client say the username wasn't even lurking to begin with, but okay. And be a little passive aggressive about it. Lurk. Casual elephant is now lurking. Sweet. Hey, it's working. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Oh, that's good. Let's see what else. What else? Now, can we make this any better? See, this text over here. I'm pointing at it. I'm pointing at it, but it's not really doing much. This text right here is arbitrary. It's just going to spit this out. This text right here is going to be based on what we're getting based on the variables that we defined. You know what? Let's do another one. Let's do another one of these passive-aggressive ones. Are already lurking. Okay, let's see what happens if I try and double lurk. You're already lurking, you ding-dong!